Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jereel back on your screen today with a new video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you a very simple home remedy to tackle cough, excessive coughing. An adult or a child can use this home remedy to help treat cough. Okay, so please keep on watching if you're interested to learn how to make this home remedy. All the ingredients you need for this home remedy is in your kitchen. You don't need to run out to buy anything. So please keep on watching and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. As well, share this video to all your friends and leave a comment below. So the first ingredient, as you can see, is our red onions. Okay, to make this home remedy, I advise you use red onions because red onions are higher in antioxidant content, and as well they contain more fiber and nutrients. That is why I'm using red onions, and red onions are more flavorful than the white onions. So this is my neatly chopped onions I'll be using for this home remedy. The next thing you will need is any mason jar at all, or even any storage container you have. You don't necessarily need to go out and buy a mason jar. Any storage container that has a cover, that is what you'll be needing. So I'll be transferring my chopped onions into my good old mason jar. Now onto the next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy. Yes, maybe you guessed right, but we'll be needing white granulated sugar. This is my white granulated sugar. Someone will ask, can you use honey? You can use honey, but I have sugar and I'm going to be using it for this home remedy. Both works very well. Okay, the sugar does not take away from the effectiveness of this home remedy, neither will the honey take anything out. So anything you have available, just use it. I'm going to be adding my granulated sugar into the onions. I'm making sure that the whole onions is covered in the sugar. Now all you have to do is mix to make sure that the sugar covers the entire onions, and you're going to cover this up and set it aside for some hours. Okay, preferably let it sit in a cool and dark corner for some hours, and after this is ready to be used. After 3 whole hours of letting this infusion sit, I'm going to bring it out and strain out the liquid. I hope you can see the liquid already gathered in the mason jar. I'm going to strain this out. Yeah, that's what you need to do. This is what you need to take to tackle that cough that is disturbing you. So I'm going to collect only the liquid. Now this is what you need to tackle that cough. This is the liquid, the home remedy that you should use to tackle the cough. This liquid you see has a lot of properties that can help relieve you of the coughing. It's tried and trusted. It's not just a tutorial. Okay, this liquid has the ability to loosen up and clear mucus from your lungs, the mucus that causes you to cough, that is congested. It clears the congestion because of the onions. Onions has expectorant properties that can help loosen up and clear mucus from your lungs. Okay, it also has soothing properties. The sugar used in this home remedy can soothe an irritated throat and reduce coughing instantly. It also has antimicrobial properties. That is why I advise that you use the red onions. Okay, it has antimicrobial properties which can help combat underlying infection that may be causing you to cough. So this home remedy is tried and trusted, and like I said earlier, an adult can use this home remedy. A child can also take this home remedy to relieve cough. All right, so for the measurement, standardly syrup measurement for children is 5 ml, and an adult can take as high as 10 ml. But anyway, do what will work for you. As this is a home remedy, be sure that it is packed with nutrients that can help relieve the cough. Even a little amount goes a long way for a child as well as an adult. When the video ends, I'll be showing you how I take mine, because this is something I make quickly when I want to get a relief from that stubborn cough. As you can see, I still have some juice in the mason jar. This thing will keep gathering. If you leave the onions and the sugar still in that jar, even overnight, it will keep on gathering. So you can either decide to leave it on the countertop or store in your refrigerator. We've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and try this out. Let me know if it worked for you, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.